You made it. No debt, emergency fund done, investments rolling. You own your home. Now comes the real game. Building wealth that outlives you. I'm Vladimir Nemchinov. I went from $0 to $600,000 in 11 years, mostly through real estate, and now I'm focused on building wealth that doesn't just fade when I stop working. And that's what this level is all about. Turning success into sustainability. Because here's the truth, getting rich isn't hard, staying rich is. Most people build some wealth and then lose it through lifestyle creep, bad decisions, or lack of direction. You can't coast your way to legacy. Reddit is full of people asking the same questions. What do I do after I'm debt-free? How do I build generational wealth? Should I keep investing or focus on real estate or start a business? And what does financial freedom actually look like? Let's make it simple. Financial freedom means you own your time. You don't answer to bills, banks, or bosses. You answer to purpose. That's the end game of the wealth game. So how do you build wealth that lasts? You master 3 things: growth, protection, and multiplication. Growth means your money keeps earning. You keep investing 15% or more of your income every month. No breaks, no excuses. You diversify across mutual funds, real estate, and maybe even business ventures that you understand. You let time and compounding do their thing. Protection means you don't lose what you've built. You keep your emergency fund full, you stay insured, you live below your means even when your income explodes, and you plan for taxes, because wealth unprotected is wealth that disappears. Multiplication means your money starts building more money through passive income, dividends, rent, or business profits. This is where real freedom begins. You're no longer trading time for money. Your money is working 24/7 while you sleep. Now let's look at what's happening right now. The news is full of stories about people making 6 figures and still living paycheck to paycheck. The reason? No plan. They never graduated from comfort to discipline. They let their expenses rise with their income. And that's the silent killer of wealth. You can't build lasting wealth if every raise becomes a bigger car, a bigger house, or a fancier vacation. You build it when every raise becomes a bigger investment. Let me tell you about a couple I worked with, Matt and Erica. They started just like most people, buried in credit cards and car payments. They worked the wealth game one level at a time: budget, debt, savings, investing, home ownership. Then they leveled up. They started maxing out retirement accounts, bought a rental property, and built a small business on the side. Now they're earning passive income that covers all their expenses. They don't work for money anymore. They work for fulfillment. That's what level 10 is about. When your assets generate enough income to replace your job, you've won. You don't stop working. You start choosing what work means. Now, Reddit also asks, should I build wealth for me or for my kids? The answer is both, but not by handing them money, by teaching them how to earn, save, and invest. True legacy isn't inheritance, that's instruction. If you teach your kids how money works, they'll never need rescuing. Another question I see, how do I avoid losing money once I'm wealthy? Simple. Don't chase trends. Don't gamble with crypto or meme stocks. Don't let greed replace gratitude. You protect your money by staying boring, consistent, and focused. Wealth grows quietly and disappears loudly. And here's the final key: generosity. Wealth that ends with you dies with you, but wealth that flows through you lives forever. When you give, when you build, when you help others, that's when your money has purpose. So here's your mission from this point forward. Keep investing 15% or more of your income. Pay cash for big purchases. Live on less than you make. Stay humble. Stay hungry. And start teaching what you've learned to the next person behind you. You've climbed all 10 levels of the wealth game. You've built the habits that most people never master. Now you're not just stable, you're steady. And that's how you build wealth that lasts generations. If you want help setting up your long-term wealth plan, investing, real estate, legacy planning, fill out the client assessment form. The link's in the description below. We'll build your next chapter together, brick by brick, step by step. Invest steady. Compound your net worth.